Hey guys, welcome to Odoo Apps News by Pragmatic. In this series of episodes we will present interesting Odoo apps, Odoo-related news and Odoo tips. Twilio is a cloud communications platform as a service (PaaS) company based in San Francisco, California. Twilio allows software developers to programmatically make and receive phone calls and send and receive text messages using its web service APIs. If you want to send SMS to customers or suppliers or employees, hooking into Twilio is the best solution. You will need to install the SMS notification app from Webkul first. It is available for version 11 and costs €99. This app has the following features. 1. This application provides facility to send SMS notification to the mobile number. For sending SMS, this application requires an SMS Gateway. 2. This is a base module for any SMS gateway, like Twilio SMS Gateway, Plivo SMS Gateway, ClickSend SMS Gateway, MSG91 SMS Gateway, and Mobily SMS Gateway. 3. Also provides the SMS history facility. 4. SMS notification will be sent using SMS Gateway. 5. Admin can create SMS template for sending message. 6. Send message using templates which are globally accessible. 7. SMS templates can be configured on the basis of sale and invoice status that will be triggered automatically. 8. Multiple SMS templates can be sent at a time that will be triggered automatically. 9. If customer's mobile number is not set, customer's phone number will be used for sending SMS automatically. The Odoo Twillo connector provided by Webkul Software costs €99 and allows sending messages to customers. It also has ability to send message when product order is placed. If you need any professional help to learn more on how to use it, you can connect with us at sales@pragmatic.co.in. Subscribe to our channel in case not done so.